Hi guys, Philips Hue has introduced a serious game changer with their new Hue Sync TV app, which now lets you sync your Philips Hue lights with LG TVs, allowing you to create the most immersive surround lighting experience. It works on anything running on your TV, even inbuilt apps, so you no longer need a Philips Hue HDMI sync box, as the app allows you to even game at 4K 120Hz, so no restrictions with it. So I'll show you how to set it up with the Philips Hue lighting and the options you have available via the app, and we'll test it out to see how it performs with inbuilt apps like Netflix and Disney Plus. And I'll also test out some gaming and see how it performs at 4K 120Hz. For the Hue Sync app to work and sync with your Philips Hue lighting, you'll need a 2024 or newer LG TV with WebOS 24. Lighting wise, you'll need the Philips Hue color compatible lighting like the Philips Hue Gradient Strip and the Philips Hue Bridge, which creates a mesh network connecting your devices to each other, and it connects to your Wi-Fi network. Let's start by removing my Philips Hue 8K HDMI sync box and plugging in the HDMI cables from my gaming consoles directly into the TV, as the HDMI sync box won't be required anymore. To set up the app on your LG TV, go into the App Store and search for Hue Sync. Select it and click on Install to download the app on your TV. Once installed, launch the app. It then informs you that there's a cost associated with activating the Hue Sync app. You can either pay £2.69 per month or a one-time payment of just under £115, and either option will cover you for up to 3 TVs. Click Get Started, accept the terms. Next, the privacy notice highlights that the data is processed locally, so on your TV, and it never leaves, so Philips Hue has no way of knowing what you're watching. Click Got It. Now you need to activate the Hue Sync TV app with your mobile. Scan the QR code and this launches the Philips Hue app on your phone, and it asks you to confirm which account you want to use with the Hue Sync TV app. Select the account. Now you need to select your plan. I'm going to go for the subscription initially so I can try it out first before committing to the full amount. Pay for it via your Google Play account. It then confirms you're subscribed, and finally it says success and confirms the Hue Sync TV app is now active. Go back to your TV and quit the app and relaunch it. Click Next, then click Search for the Hue Bridge. After a few seconds, your bridge is found and you just need to press the round button on the bridge to connect. Click Let's Go, and that's it. You're up and running pretty quickly. Let me show you the options you have in the app. You can change the intensity, and this allows you to customize how strongly your lights react to the content on the screen. Start or stop syncing, adjust the brightness of the lighting, switch between video and game mode. Looking in settings, there's entertainment area, and this allows you to select the entertainment area or create a new one. Automatic syncing allows you to either enable or disable automatic syncing. Background lighting allows you to either enable or disable a low amount of light when the screen is black. You can change the Hue Bridge and About, which shows you the version information. Let's test this out. Now, the main thing to note is that the functionality works with anything being displayed on the screen, so you're not limited to just the inbuilt apps. So it will work even if you're watching TV with an aerial connected, and the advantage with this is that there's no limitation at all. If your TV has been powered off or is in standby mode, then when you turn the TV on, it launches a Hue app automatically using the settings you've already predefined. Testing with native apps built into the TV, and you can see for yourself it works perfectly with Netflix, with the colors transitioning perfectly, looking absolutely stunning. Flipping over to Disney Plus, and this works perfectly again, with excellent performance, with it being really responsive with the color transitions. Onto gaming at 4K 120Hz, and this works perfectly too, where I didn't notice any sort of lag, with the colors transitioning really well with what's happening on the screen. In terms of performance, I didn't notice any sort of difference between using the sync box and the Hue Sync app, so really pleased with this. And the advantage of the app is that any possibility of an input lag when using the sync box is removed, meaning your TV runs at an optimal performance. Negatives wise, there's a couple of things I didn't like. The first one was when I turned off the TV, the light stayed on in the last color that was being displayed. So it would have been nice to have an option in the settings where you could get it to auto turn off when the TV is put in standby mode. Another thing I didn't like was that I couldn't change any of the sync option settings on the Hue Sync app from my mobile. I could stop the syncing, but there was no way of starting it again from my phone. And it's a shame there's a price associated with this and they didn't provide it for free, as at just under £115 it isn't cheap. But on the positive side, it's much cheaper than buying a Philips Hue sync box, together with giving you unrestricted syncing on your TV. So there you have it. You've come to the end of another video, and I hope it's helped anyone who wants to set up the Hue Sync TV app on their LG TV. Details for all the items I've shown today are in the description below, including purchasing links. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. For those of you who've got to the end of this video, please leave a comment with Hue, as it's awesome to see who's got to the end of my video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you don't have a TV that's compatible with the Hue Sync app, then check out my full review next on the Philips Hue Play 8K HDMI sync box. Follow me on all my socials. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to be notified of my next release. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.